Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So this video is going to be a review of the partial product method for multiplication. We have some example problems here. Our first example problem is 78 times 9. I'm going through step by step how to solve that problem. So basically, the partial product method involves breaking down a two-digit multiplication problem digit by digit. So we multiply the numbers in the ones place. We multiply 8 times 9. And then we multiply the value of the digit in the tens place times 9. So the number in the tens place is 7. 7 tens is equal to 70. So we're going to multiply 8 times 9. We're going to multiply 70 times 9. And our two answers, we're going to add those two answers together to get our final answer. So step 1, 8 times 9 equals 72. 70 times 9, it looks tricky, but very simple trick. You multiply 7 times 9, and then you add a 0 to your answer. So 7 times 9 equals 63. If we add a 0 to our answer, that 63 becomes 630. Now to find the answer to 78 times 9, we simply add together 630 plus 72. 2 plus 0 plus 2 equals 2. 3 plus 7 equals 10. 0 carry the 1. 1 plus 6 equals 7. And we have our final answer, 78 times 9 equals 702. I'm going to do another example problem. All right, 29 times 4 will be our next example. So using the partial product method, we're going to multiply 9 times 4. Then we're going to multiply 20 times 4, and then we're going to add our two answers together to get our answer to 29 times 4. So 9 times 4 equals 36. To get the answer to 20 times 4, we simply multiply 2 times 4 and add a 0 to our answer. So 2 times 4 equals 8. If we add a 0 to our answer, that 8 becomes 80. Now to get our final answer, to get our answer to 29 times 4, we simply have to add 80 plus 36. So 0 plus 6 equals 6. 8 plus 3 equals 11, and our answer is 116. All right, so we're going to keep moving forward. Example 3 of the partial product method of multiplication. $34 times 3. So to get the answer to 34 times 3, we multiply 4 times 3. We multiply 30 times 3. And then we add our two answers together to get our final answer. So 4 times 3 equals 12. 30 times 3. So to find 30 times 3, we multiply 3 times 3, then add a 0 to our answer. 3 times 3 equals 9. If we add a 0 to our answer, then our answer becomes 90. 4 times 3 equals 12. 30 times 3 equals 90. Now to find out the answer to 34 times 3, we have to add 90 plus 12. 0 plus 2 equals 2. 9 plus 1 equals 10. And our final answer is 102. 34 times 3 equals 102. All right, going to do another example here. (48) times 5. 48 times 5 is our next problem. So to find the answer to 48 times 5, we multiply 8 times 5, and then we're going to multiply 40 times 5. Then we have to add both answers together to get our final answer. So 8 times 5 equals 40. To get the answer to 40 times 5, we multiply 4 times 5 and add a 0 to our answer. 4 times 5 equals 20. Now, if we add a 0 to the number 20, our answer becomes 200. So to figure out the answer to 48 times 5, we have to add our two answers together. We have to add 200 plus 40. 200 plus 40 equals 240. All right, so 48 times 5 equals 240. All right, next example. I think I'm going to do one more example, and then we're going to call it a video. (82 times 7). So to find our answer to 82 times 7, we are going to multiply 2 times 7. We're going to multiply 80 times 7. Then we add both our answers together to get the final answer. So 2 times 7 equals 14. Now 80 times 7, 8 times 7 equals 56. We have to add a 0 to our answer. We add a 0 to 56, we get 560. So now to get our final answer, we have to add these two answers together. We have to add 560 plus 14. 560 plus 14 equals 574. 82 times 7 equals 574. This is partial product multiplication. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Please hit the like button. It really helps the algorithm. Since we have some people watching, I will do another problem. (94 times 8). So this is partial product multiplication. So to find the answer to 94 times 8, we have to multiply 4 times 8. We have to multiply 90 times 8. And then we have to add our two answers together to get the answer to 94 times 8. So 4 times 8 equals 32. To get the answer to 90 times 8, we're going to multiply 9 times 8 and add a 0 to our answer. So 9 times 8 equals 72. If we add a 0 to our answer, that 72 becomes 720. Now to find out our answer to 94 times 8, we have to add 720 plus 32. 0 plus 2 equals 2. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 7 plus 0 equals 7. And we have our final answer, 94 times 8 equals 752. Hello, thank you for commenting in the chat, and thank you for being here. I am glad you're here. All right, next example. (49 times 3). So So we are going to start out multiplying 9 times 3. Then we're going to multiply 40 times 3. Then we have to add both numbers together to get our final answer. So 9 times 3 equals 27. 40 times 3, so 4 times 3 equals 12. To get the answer to 40 times 3, we just have to add a 0 to our answer. We multiply 4 times 3 and add a 0 to it. So if we add a 0 to 12, we get 120. Next, we have to add these two numbers together to get our final answer. 120 plus 27. 0 plus 7 equals 7. 2 plus 2. Whoa, why did I put a multiplication sign there? That should be a plus sign. We're adding the numbers together. So 0 plus 7 equals 7. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 1 plus 0 equals 1. And we have our final answer. 49 times 3 equals 147. All right, stay tuned for the final problem of the video. $54 times 5. So we start off by multiplying 4 times 5. Then we have to multiply 50 times 5. Then we have to add our answers together to get the final answer. So 4 times 5 equals 20. To find our answer to 50 times 5, we multiply 5 times 5 and add a 0 to our answer. 5 times 5 equals 25. If we add a 0 to 25, we get 250. So now we have to add 250 plus 20. 250 plus 20 equals 270. So 54 times 5 equals 270. All right, that is my video for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video. And if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments and I will do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri signing off.